What's the meaning of bookseller? Bookseller. Bookseller.
Bookseller. Bookseller. A bookseller is a person or company that sells books to customers. They can operate in physical bookstores or online through e-commerce websites. Booksellers are responsible for stocking and organizing a variety of books for sale, as well as recommending titles to customers based on their interests and preferences. They may also handle marketing and promotional activities to drive sales. The role of the bookseller is important in promoting literacy and supporting authors, publishers, and libraries. A successful bookseller must have knowledge of the book industry and a passion for reading and sharing their love of books with others.